the ultimate guide to staying fit, nutrition, workouts, and mindset tips. Staying fit involves more than just exercising or following a strict diet. It's a comprehensive lifestyle approach that combines proper nutrition, effective physical activity, and a positive mindset. Maintaining physical and mental well-being is crucial in today's fast-paced world, where people often find themselves neglecting their health due to demanding schedules. This guide aims to provide an in-depth understanding of how to build a sustainable fitness routine, focusing on nourishment, workouts, and the power of a strong mental attitude. The role of nutrition in fitness. Nutrition is the cornerstone of any fitness journey. It provides the fuel your body needs to function, recover, and grow stronger. Eating right isn't about deprivation or fads. It's about nourishing your body with the essential nutrients it requires. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, often referred to as macronutrients, play specific roles in supporting fitness and overall health. Proteins are critical for repairing and building muscle tissue. Incorporating lean sources such as chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like tofu and lentils can significantly improve muscle recovery. Carbohydrates serve as the primary energy source for your body. Opting for complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, oats, and sweet potatoes can provide sustained energy throughout the day. Healthy fats are equally essential, supporting brain health and hormone regulation. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are excellent choices. Hydration is another vital aspect of nutrition. Water aids in regulating body temperature, improving digestion, and ensuring optimal muscle performance. Many people underestimate the importance of staying hydrated, but drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day can make a noticeable difference in energy levels and overall well-being. Meal timing is equally crucial. Starting your day with a balanced breakfast, eating moderate meals throughout the day, and avoiding heavy dinners can help maintain consistent energy and prevent overloading your digestive system. Designing effective workouts. Exercise is essential for maintaining fitness, but it's important to recognize that there is no universal formula for success. Finding an exercise routine that suits your preferences and goals is crucial to staying consistent. Strength training is often considered the foundation of physical fitness. It helps build muscle, boosts metabolism, and strengthens bones. Beginners can start with simple bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and planks, gradually incorporating weights or resistance bands as they progress. Cardiovascular workouts, commonly known as cardio, improve heart health and endurance while burning calories. Activities such as running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking are highly effective. For those with limited time, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, offers a quick yet efficient workout, alternating between short bursts of intense activity and rest periods. Flexibility and balance exercises are equally important for preventing injuries and improving posture. Yoga and Pilates are excellent practices that enhance mobility, reduce stress, and promote overall body awareness. Creating a fitness routine you enjoy increases the likelihood of staying consistent. Exploring different activities, from team sports to solo gym sessions, allows you to discover what keeps you motivated. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or attending group classes, the key is to engage in activities that bring joy while benefiting your health. Cultivating a positive mindset. Fitness extends beyond physical activity and diet. A positive mindset is a critical factor in achieving and maintaining your goals. Many people start their fitness journey with enthusiasm but struggle to remain consistent. Setting realistic goals is a powerful tool for overcoming this challenge. Instead of aiming for drastic changes, focus on attainable objectives, such as losing a few pounds, running a specific distance, or simply feeling more energetic. Clear, achievable goals build confidence and provide a sense of accomplishment. Celebrating small wins along the way keeps you motivated. Acknowledging progress, whether it's lifting heavier weights, completing an additional set of exercises, or eating healthier meals, reinforces your commitment to fitness. Overcoming mental barriers is equally important. There will be days when motivation wanes and discipline must take over. Reminding yourself of your long-term goals, visualizing success, and practicing mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing can help combat negativity and stress. Building a supportive environment also contributes to a positive mindset. Surrounding yourself with individuals who encourage your efforts, whether they are workout partners, family members, or an online community, creates a sense of accountability. Sharing experiences and celebrating achievements with others fosters a feeling of camaraderie and support. Integrating nutrition, workouts, and mindset. Achieving fitness requires harmonizing nutrition, exercise, and mental resilience. Planning is crucial for integrating these elements into your daily life. Meal prepping ensures you have nutritious options readily available, reducing the temptation to indulge in unhealthy choices. Scheduling workouts like any other important appointment prioritizes physical activity and reduces the likelihood of skipping sessions. Tracking progress is another effective way to maintain focus and motivation. Fitness apps or journals can help monitor your diet, exercise routines, and mental well-being. This practice not only highlights areas for improvement, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reflect on your journey. Rest and recovery should never be overlooked. Adequate sleep and rest days allow your body to repair and grow stronger, preventing burnout and injuries. Addressing common challenges. Staying fit comes with its share of challenges, but understanding how to overcome them ensures long-term success. One of the most common obstacles is time management. Busy schedules often leave little room for exercise or meal preparation. To counter this, incorporate fitness into daily activities. For instance, take the stairs instead of the elevator, perform stretches while watching TV, or engage in a quick workout during breaks. Hitting a plateau in your fitness journey can be discouraging. When progress stalls, it's essential to change things up. Experiment with new exercises, increase workout intensity, or adjust your nutrition to reignite progress. Cravings and indulgences are another challenge many face. Rather than depriving yourself, adopt a balanced approach. Enjoying occasional treats in moderation helps maintain a healthy relationship with food without derailing your goals. Fitness is not a destination but a lifelong journey. By prioritizing proper nutrition, staying active, and fostering a positive mindset, you can achieve a balanced and sustainable lifestyle. The synergy of these three pillars ensures not only physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. Fitness doesn't demand perfection. It requires consistency, commitment, and a willingness to adapt to challenges. Now is the perfect time to take control of your health. Begin with small steps, stay consistent, and embrace the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Fitness is not just about how you look. It's about how you feel, perform, and thrive. Start today, and let every step you take bring you closer to a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.